In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set due dates on to-dos in Basecamp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your tasks show clear deadlines and appear on your project's calendar so everyone can plan with confidence. First, head into your project and open the To-Dos tool. This is the home for all your task lists. If you're starting fresh, create a new list by clicking the New List button and give it a clear, descriptive name so teammates instantly know what belongs there. If you already have a list that fits, open that instead. Inside the list, click Add a To-Do to create your task. Type a concise, action-focused title that states exactly what needs to happen. Think of it like a single sentence that would make sense when someone scans the list later. The clearer the title, the easier it is for everyone to prioritize. Once you've entered the title, you'll see fields for assign to and due date. Even if you're not ready to assign the task yet, you can still set the deadline. Click the due date field and a calendar will pop up. Choose the date that represents when the work truly needs to be finished. Aim for a realistic deadline that gives enough time for the work itself and any review or handoff steps that might follow. If your team spans time zones or has specific availability constraints, pick a date that accommodates those realities so there are no last-minute surprises. As soon as you select the date, Basecamp attaches that deadline to the to-do. You'll see the due date appear right next to the task in the list, which makes it easy to spot what's urgent at a glance. Just as important, that same deadline will show up on the project schedule and calendar in Basecamp, helping your team visualize what's coming up across all their work. This visibility is key for planning sprints, tracking milestones, and balancing workloads, especially when multiple projects are moving at once. If you like, you can line up your tasks in a list so the titles read like a plan, then add due dates to the ones that truly drive the schedule. Use clear naming, keep deadlines achievable, and review the calendar view to ensure your workload is balanced across the week. And that's all there is to it. Open the To-Dos tool, create or open a list, add your task, and pick the due date from the calendar. From there, the deadline is visible both on the to-do and on the project's schedule, making it simple for everyone to stay aligned and meet expectations.